Hakajinga le ban pensuk yaki nong shong shnong ki bahap ban mi nalaki dong ki than ban wat dawai na ki pharmacy ki badan khamsa jingai we riu shimat ubal itu kerteng kemudian pun hakalai pho tari ulaber arja arpun riu ula pli pat ba yaka Sanjivani TS Healthcare Pharmacy Kani ka pharmacy ka dan ha Central Nongrim ha persha ka SBI ATM balawan ban pli pat ba yaka daw ba bantli nari rang ba snong ka Nongrim Ryngkat ka jinga dan lang ki try bat ki bahayeng ka tega pharmacy na lor ki bala sha khot ngobha Haka jingkran bat udhian ulaong baka jing Plie jong u ya kateka pharmacy ka day namar ka jing yu i jong u ya ka jing Duna palat ki pharmacy ha kateka than nalor kata ulaong ru makipat ba kila ban yo ya ki Dawai ha ki dor ki babet babiang Ryngkat ka jing Duna dor bat kila ru ban shu order online
Good morning to each and everyone here, ladies and gentlemen, and my friends who are here. Thanks for remembering me to do this honor today, which will be dedicated not only to the surrounding of Nongrim Hills or residents of Nongrim Hills, but especially to the needy ones and to God itself. That He has helped you in this way where you can successfully have this grand opening today. I know that after a long struggle to get this very establishment open today, you can understand that it was quite in a hurry when you were asking us the NOC, and we could not have a proper meeting, means a physical meeting, but for this very particular NOC was done in a virtual meeting where we call it online. So somehow we could persuade the member that it's the need of the hour, the requirement of the locality, where health is a very important sector in affairs of our human life. We have seen that Nongrim Hills in the past, before this very establishment comes up today, we had no pharmacy in Nongrim Hills. But fortunately, we have one now here in Central Nongrim Hills only, which was just opened very recently. And we are pleased also. I'm very happy to have you here, another one. As we know, by the name Sanjivani, if not mistaken, means giving life here. So we hope that this very pharmacy establishment will cater really to the needy people, and especially as it is 24/7. It is very fortunate for the residents of the locality as well as the Shillong city. We don't have a pharmacy where it runs 24/7 in Shillong, and this I've not seen people taking it very seriously, because it is a much required establishment where medicine cannot be taken for granted or cannot be taken, especially in times of emergency. One shoot, right?
Ryngkat. I sometimes when I need medicines, whole of Ryngkat I search from store to store, and I don't get medicines like particular medicine. Then I go to Lanka, I don't get. Then I go to Police Bazaar, and sometimes I get, I don't get. It's a lot of hassle. So what I've seen is that no pharmacies is keeping all the medicine that is required. So the objective of this pharmacy to tie up with Sanjivani is to make sure that all the medicines are available. That if the customer comes, if he comes with a prescription or without a prescription, if the drugs are available, that we can, so that they don't have to move around from one place to another. And sometimes they don't get, and they don't have other option but get into the net, and they order through the internet, and the medicine come after 5 days, 7 days. But suppose if you have a need that you need an immediate medicine, so you can't wait for 7 days or 5 days, or even ordering from Guwahati, it may take 1 day. So that is the main objective of getting into Sanjivani. As most of the people must be knowing that Sanjivani is a brand. It's a well-known brand. It's a leading brand all over India. It's a chain of pharmacies. They have about 800 plus stores all over India, and they have the main hub. The company holds about 500 patent companies with them. So the supply chain is very strong. So in that case, what we can expect is that we can have all the medicines all the time in our store. So we also give medicines in discounts, whereas what we see is that we don't get medicines in discounts in most of the pharmacy stores. But here we get every purchase, every medicine is in a discount. Okay, we can't specify what is the discount, but we can say up to 20% discount. And we also do a home delivery. So all you have to do is you can just upload your prescription, or you can WhatsApp the name of the medicines, and we will immediately contact you and we will let you know the availability of the medicines. In case if we don't have medicines there and then, but we try and make sure that by the end of the day or even the next day you will receive the medicine. But hopefully we will have all the medicines that every customer that they will require. So we will be flashing out, we will have an Instagram we would like you to follow up, which will be there in the screen, even the phone numbers, the WhatsApp number. You can send your orders, you can send the prescriptions, we will get immediately in touch with you. And remember, it's a discount with a free home delivery. So all your needs will be met in this pharmacy called Sanjivani Pharmacy, but the authorized dealer is called TS Healthcare. Thank you. I hope we'll be in touch.
So sir, can you tell us the timing of the pharmacy as well?
Our timing will be, initially we are opening from 9 to 8, but we are looking out for good staffs so that we can have a 24/7, so we can open 24/7. That would be a great help, I guess, for the people.
Okay, and also if you can tell us the location of your pharmacy, so where is it located?
We are located at Central Nongrim. It's near NEC building, opposite to SBI ATM. There is a board there, Sanjivani region, and arrow marks are there, so you'll easily reach us. And in case if you have any home deliveries, you can send your locations. We will reach out to you.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, duna ki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jeng ki marbam, kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.